Hey guys, senkingeni. Seliphumile iqiniso ukuthi Uzwelakhe awuyena kaMkhize. I mean, sonke besiyazi lento le ukuthi besingekho sure, but finally seberevealile ukuthi lo mfana lona awuyena lapha kaMkhize. Now, sine stress manje, asazi sokwenza njani because if uGcwabe angathola ngalento le Uzwelakhe could lose everything. Ngoba uGcwabe uzothi le business la kaMkhize buyisi business lasekhaya. Angazi into soyithini lena. I want to talk about that and more here on this. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's continue with it. Now, I don't know about you guys, but something deep down in me is telling me ukuthi lesangoma lesi that Uzwelakhe went to qashe uGcwabe uDumizane usiqamba manga lapha Uzwelakhe. Angazi mhlawumbe angazi at this point angifuni ukuyikhola yonke lento le. I only believe it ngelanga wenza iDNA Uzwelakhe sola for effect ukuthi anguyena ngempela kaMkhize, but kusasho lesangoma lesiyana angise because savele sasuka sazomtshela ngalelanga leli nomcimbi kubo unprovoked ukuthi abakubo bayamdinga. I mean, why? What provoked him to say that to Uzwelakhe? I think mina was sent by uGcwabe from the first place, but yeah, asazi. So for those who don't know, here's what happened. Uzwelakhe ubonile ukuthi izinto are not going well in his life, so he decided to hambe ayoconsulta lapha esangomeni nangempela wakhasha uHadebe. And I trust uHadebe na into eyinkinga. I trust uHadebe, but then siyamazi uGcwabe, he can manipulate everything, so it's possible naleni situation he manipulated it in some way. So uHadebe bamkhapha ngempela Uzwelakhe wamhambisela sisangoma lesiyana. Mangabe fika lapha isangoma samtshela ukuthi wena ubela nyoko umtshela kutshela ukuthi wakabantu because awuyena kaMkhize. Now my guy is really going crazy and he is so confused. Angazi no means, and I saw this in shame. It was so sad. Angazi guys, comment down in the comment section. Now, what did you think about this particular scene? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and do share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.